This is a dividends distribution illustration showing how a distribution of dividends would go to common and preferred shareholders. The example data is Belson Corporation has 10,000 common shares and 5,000 preferred shares outstanding. The preferred stock has a $5 dividend rate. 2 years of dividends are currently in arrears. Assume that the preferred stock is cumulative and non-participating. Belson has 155,000 to distribute in the form of dividends. Use the information to calculate the dividends distributed to the preferred and common shareholders. First of all, what does arrears mean? That means 2 years of dividends were not paid to the preferred shareholders. So arrears means that they're owed, and it would be for the last 2 years. And also remember that the cumulative feature means that when there is a distribution, the preferred shareholders get any past dividends first, okay, so that they don't lose them unless the corporation never pays a dividend. As long as the corporation pays a dividend, they'll always pay the preferred shareholders their owed or their arreared dividends. So the distribution hierarchy starts with dividends in arrears to the preferred shareholders. And since there were 5,000 shares and it was a $5 dividend rate in 2 years, 5 times 5 times 2 is $50,000 going to the preferred shareholders. The total distributed column keeps track of our total distributed until we get to the 155,000 that we're going to distribute in total. After you've paid the arreared dividends, then you pay the current year preferred dividend, and that would be 5,000 shares times $5 per share. It's only 1 year, another 25,000. So now we've distributed a total of 75. Then the remainder will go to the common shareholders, and in this case they're going to get 80,000 because the total then is 155,000. Now, what does that mean to each class? The total dividends paid to each class is 75,000 to the preferred shareholders, 80,000 to the common shareholders. Now, if you were to calculate the dividends per share, you take the total shares out, the total dividends paid to that class of stock, divided by the total number of shares outstanding for that class. So the preferred shareholders got $75,000. And there's 5,000 shares, so they got a total of $15 per share. The common shareholders got a total of 80,000, and there were 10,000 shares, so that would be $8 per share. Now let's change the data just slightly. The data to this problem is identical with the exception that the preferred stock is non-cumulative and non-participating. So non-cumulative means that when there is a past dividend, it is gone forever, meaning that, and so you will never have those arreared dividends that are going to get paid at a later date. So what would happen then? What changes then? Well, there are no dividends in arrears to pay. Doesn't matter how long it's been since preferred shareholders got paid. We'll pay the current year dividend first. Again, 5,000 shares times $5 is 25,000, and then the remainder is going to go to the common shareholders, the rest of the 155,000, which was a total of 130,000. Now, if we do the per share calculation again, 25,000 total going to preferred, divided by the 5,000 shares outstanding is $5 per share. Common shareholders now got more. 130,000 in total divided by 10,000 shares is $13 per share.